Hi everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve Snapchat too many attempts, try again later. To know how to fix or how to solve Snapchat too many attempts, try again later, you should just go to settings. After that, in this page, we go to click apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this page, you will enter to this window of Snapchat and you will go here. Then in this list of app info, you will click on force stop and you will click OK. Then we go to click storage. After that, we click clear cache. And in the end, you can turn off your phone. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next